Hi, in this video we're going to talk about how to use some of the basic functions of the new version of our website. So when you load the website, this is what you should see. First off, we've got this header up here. Now whatever you open, it's going to open a picture, and there's going to be a new title. And when you hover over this, it'll give you information on that item. So if we go to Meditations of Marcus Aurelius here, give you a description of the individual page. These tabs can be exited out of. You can exit here. You can take them out and move them, say, up here, and then you can put them back in. You can also hide the title up here and manipulate the position of this center console here. And what we're going to show, though, is if we go here, we're going to show how you hide the central panel right here. And this mosaic background is default, but you can set the background color behind it. Probably not purple, but you can also change what app is behind it. So you can put a whiteboard here and then change the background here if you'd like. And so you can draw right here. So if you need to draw some sort of a diagram, have your windows open. These can be closed out as well, either here, or you can hide them, hide windows, and then you can show them again. So this all helps make making videos right on the website. Another important feature, you can come over here. And I'm currently recording, but if I weren't recording, it would say start recording. You can record a video right from the browser, and that is helpful and useful. We're going to go back over here and stick this in. And we're going to return to the mosaic. This is a default. We're going to come over here to accounts. Next thing you should know about is accounts. You can log in or log out here. You can create an account, reset your password, put in your username here, send an email, auto-filled, and then a code will be sent to you where you can reset your password. You can also, actually I should probably log in for this. You can come over here and edit your profile, name, information if you want to add extra information, a bio, profile picture, your banner picture. So the banner picture here will show up when you go to search users and you put your name in here. You can also view your profile as if somebody were viewing it. Obviously the banner picture here is the generic picture for accounts. The next important thing to know about is, let me just exit those. You can come to tools here. We have several tools. The whiteboard background tool can also be used here, which means you can have multiple whiteboard elements open. You can toggle back and forth between them if you're making a video. There's an audio recorder that is still sort of being made. The messenger is still sort of being made, but the camera display here is useful. Say you're making a video and you want your face to appear in it, you could use this. Also, the library over here. Now you'll need special permission to add an item to the library. But this library here is useful for cataloging texts, sort of. This one looks like it might have an error, or maybe it's just taking a while to load. It's useful for cataloging texts, marking them as favorites, and then accessing them later. So for example, this one is now found in my favorites. And so this is a helpful basic tool that you should know about. In a later video, I'm going to go over a little bit of the blog, mostly just how to view posts, and then we're going to talk about how specifically I intend that these tools might be used. Sorry, I'm going to stop the recording here.